Hey guys, so I was inspired by Natasha Denona's Instagram feed and her YouTube channel, and I really wanted to recreate this look I saw where she did a tutorial using her Sunrise palette. So as you can see from the thumbnail, that is what we're going to be trying to recreate today. So if you guys would like to see how it turns out and the steps that she used to get that look, then just keep watching. So for those of you who have not seen the inside of this palette, this is what it looks like. It's very heavy in the red-orange family. I've been having a hard time coming up with unique looks using these colors. I feel like they all end up looking the same to me. So that's why this look from Natasha Denona really drew my interest, because it wasn't just another like red-orange sunrise look. So let's jump right in. The first thing that she did was take Day Spring, this one right here, and she put it all over the lid, so that's what we are going to do. And these are generally best applied with your finger, but I'm going to apply it with a flat brush and spritz it. This is one color that I don't think I've used from the palette yet. This is really pretty. Next up, she went in with Carnelian in the crease. Next up, she takes a little bit of Morning, which is this one right here, to kind of soften up the edges of that crease color. Next up, she took Agate on the inner corner to brighten everything up. And again, I'm going to spray mine with a little bit of Smashbox primer water to really intensify it. Not that it needs it. Using a small brush, she also applied Carnelian to the lower lash line. Then using a liner brush, she applied Jasper as liner to the top and lower lash. And then she just kind of blended this color out a little bit. Then she went in with some brown liner on the top and lower lash line, which is what we're going to do, which I can't do on camera, so I'll be right back. This is what it looks like before mascara, so I'm going to hop off, add some mascara, and be back to show you what it looks like all finished. So this is the end look inspired by Natasha Denona's tutorial using her Sunrise palette. I really like the way it turned out. It isn't too red. It just has enough like smoky red around my eyes to make them look extra bright and blue, which I do enjoy. So this is one color that I hadn't played with, and I feel like I'm going to be wearing a lot more. This Day Spring color is a beautiful bronze, especially if you have like green or blue eyes. So I'm going to insert some comparison pictures here from her model to mine, and you can be the judge of how close I came to the look that Natasha Denona came up with. But I am very pleased with the end result. I think it looks really pretty, and I had a good time playing with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.